Tonight, there's a warning about scammers posing as U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement officers. Good evening, I'm Marcella Lee.
I'm Carlo Chiquetto. CBS 8's Esmeralda Perez joins us in studio live with what local immigration attorneys are saying and how you can protect yourself from falling victim to these scams. Esmeralda?
Well, that's right. This is one of the latest tactics by scammers to target victims. That's why it's important to know what to do if you're approached by someone claiming to be an immigration officer. It's a warning from Attorney General Bonta's office claiming they're seeing reports around the state of people impersonating ICE officers and other immigration scams. So I checked in with San Diego-based immigration attorney Saman Nasiri.
I have been seeing that happen and hearing about that happening.
So far, Nasiri has heard of people receiving phone calls. He tells me some of these calls are happening late at night.
I have had clients calling me about phone numbers that they've been getting calls from saying that, hey, we're ICE, we need to come to this address, or hey, we're ICE, you need to pay this amount as a bond to make sure we don't come and get you. That has been happening, and their calls are coming at weird times, and they're not from government phone numbers.
I also reached out to Jacob Sapochnik to find out what he has heard.
One was from Escondido. Somebody called for a consultation, and they said that three men came to their store. They had a small, I guess, grocery store or something, and they claimed to be immigration enforcement, and they wanted them to give them the names of all the workers that they have, and they kind of stayed there for a little bit, and then they left.
Bonta's office shares some ways to protect yourself from these scams. Ask for identification. Do not give money or personal information to anyone who calls, texts, or emails you claiming there's a problem with your immigration matter. Do not sign an immigration form that includes incorrect information or blanks. Do not sign anything until you understand what you are signing. Do not hire an immigration consultant or a notary, because only lawyers, accredited representatives, and recognized organizations can give you legal advice or represent you in immigration court. And beware of .com or .net websites. Instead, access information from .gov websites, which are government affiliated.
They're trying to use the fear of immigration enforcement to try to get people to give up their hard-earned resources.
James Ely is with Identity Theft Resource Center, which provides free direct identity crime advice and victim assistance. James tells me this is a very serious problem.
This kind of scam is called an impersonation scam. And that is a very serious and a very growing problem in the United States.
Now, Attorney General Bonta says his office will continue to make sure laws are fully enforced and the rights of California's immigrants are respected and protected.
So if someone believes that they've been a victim of an immigration scam, what should they do?
Well, whether you've been a victim of this type of scam or know someone that it has been impersonating ICE, you're urged to report it to your local law enforcement agency.
All right, Esmeralda Perez, definitely something to be concerned about in this environment. Preying on people who fear it. It's a terrible thing. Thanks, Esmeralda.